say about me. My dogs like to play mad in the 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he plays South Beach. He told me this summer he gon' fix my jumper. I told boy Wonder that we might gonna thump her. I've been trying to pop, now I'm on like Shumpert. Now they home like Bumper. I don't care. You guys know I'm a Miami Heat fan. Like, I love Tyler Hero. Daddy, I love him. Like, hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to this channel. So I have got this look here. It is very fall appropriate. This is pretty much how you gonna be the rich auntie, the Kim K of the family, while you're sitting around in your living room for Thanksgiving. Okay, so this is very much soft glam, flawless skin, full coverage foundation. Very much that. Very much flawless foundation Nida in effect, and I love it. I used only one palette for the eyes, and yeah, I think it came out pretty good. So without further ado, I will stop talking and let you guys see how I achieve this look. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I love so much how this came out. Like, I don't think you guys understand. This looks really good. I just, what? I love it. I've been really feeling like the soft glam, which is so funny because I remember over like the summer and like late spring, everything was soft glam this and soft glam that and soft glam this. And I was really like, I want to do some color and I don't want to do soft glam. And the fox eye trend, what is that? But I don't know, I've been really feeling soft glam lately, so I just was like, yeah, let's get into it. Especially for, it's not like most people aren't having like a ton of people over at their house for the holidays this year, so it really is just putting on your makeup to sit in your living room and eat dinner. But yeah, I think it looks cute though. It's very much still, you look well put together, very much glam, but still soft and low-key. So it's not like you tried too hard. It's like the perfect mix of doing enough and not too much. But that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, your girl's uploading every Wednesday as well as Saturday. Wednesday at 7 p. EST, Saturday at 3:30 p. EST. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. I hope you guys have a happy and safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, you can find down in the description box the links to all the products I used in today's video. Wow, I'm all over the place. I'm so sorry. There were links to all the products I used in today's video, as well as links to all my social media. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, as well as the Facebook page for this channel. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.